the helicopter though. If it'll like to come on. Supposed to be coming on. There it is. Oh, there it is. 3, 2, 1. Wait.
Is it?
3, 2, 1.
Do you got the helicopter on? Oh, hold on. Yes, you do. Duh. Why is it on?
What the heck?
I didn't touch anything.
It's like shrug. Did you touch it? Watch out, Roscoe.
Roscoe touched it. There you go.
Shush!
We found this.
Yeah.
Woo! I didn't know it was coming to me.
Ooh.
We killed it.
Ooh. I think that jump is like.
It's like.
Give me the status report.
Ooh, the wing is chopped. We're still gonna try to fly it. Because we're bad.
It
Like
was
that.
worth a try.
We're taking off from the helipad. Ah! What the heck, Chuck?
Chuck. Hey, Chucky. You're such a Chuck. Woo!
Leveling it out. I'm leveling it out. It's level. It's level.
Oh!
Oh! Blaze is flying everywhere on my face. Roscoe, if you don't shut it.
Dude, Mr. Dad gonna be mad at us.
Mr. Who?
Dad. Mr. Dad.
Sure.
Dude, he's gonna be really mad. I mean, it's a toy anyway.
Roscoe! 1.
Nailed it. But hold on. I think that's Mr. Dad. Run, hide, never.
Huh?
Y'all all right?
Yes, the helicopter.
Oh,
Why?
I heard you. Let's go.
Oh,
Then I heard them barking. I'm like, oh my God, he's attacking them.
he's trying to eat the
What happened to the tablecloth?
Oh, that's how we found it. It was like, wow.
Nailed it.